How to get $260 Uber Eats promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now type in ubereats.com and search for it. With that, you will be directed to the official website of Uber Eats. Now you can log into your account, make your order and proceed to the checkout. Once you land to the checkout page, over there you will find the section of promo code. Over there you have to paste the code and you'll get certain amount as a discount. But where can you find the Uber Eats code? For that, open a new tab. Now type in Uber Eats promo code and search for it. With that, different website links will appear. These websites will provide you working promo codes for Uber Eats. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm going to open this one, Time Magazine. After you open it, you're going to find amazing deals and offers. Just scroll and check. 40% offer, 50% coupon, $10 coupon, and many more. Make sure to check the expiration date of the coupon code, whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, you can click on the option of Show Coupon. Now I can copy the coupon code. Now head towards the website of Uber Eats and in the promo code option, paste the code and proceed to checkout. With that, you will get the discount. Likewise, you can also try out these offers. Also, make sure you go through these websites, as these websites will also provide you working promo codes for Uber Eats. Well, that's a wrap for this video. This is how you can get up to $260 Uber Eats promo code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.